Hello everyone. So today let's just take a look at another interesting map which shows what does the United States looks like in March 4th, 1825. So over 200 years ago. Okay, so let's take a look at the old map. So in the east coast, you can see we have the state of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. So you can see as well as Delaware, um, Maryland. So you can see in the east, the state is pretty the same. Looks like that as today. But the difference here is Virginia. So you can see in the 200 years ago. So we don't have West Virginia. So these two, they're the same. And also in the East Coast, you can see we have North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, and state of Florida. And Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. And also you can see those states quite the same as today. Another big difference here is the state of Michigan. So you can see Michigan, Minnesota, Wisconsin. These states are still, in one big area. It's called Michigan Territory. And in the West, you can see this area. We call it the Louisiana Territory. So you can see this is today's states such as North Dakota, South Dakota, Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, and others. And also you can see in the West we have the Oregon Territory, and which is occupied by the Great Britain at that time, and it then purchased by the United States. And to the west you can see this region, which is the state for today, like Texas, Utah, California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico. You can see this area is still not the land of the United States. It's, just belongs to Mexico. Okay, belongs to Mexico. And then in, many decades later, there's exists a war between Mexico and the U.S. And then this area, when Mexico loses the war, and this big area, and then join the United States and become today's American land. Okay, so this map is quite interesting. Just shows what the United States looks like 200 years ago. Okay.